Credit bureaus, also known as credit information companies, CICs, play a vital role in the financial landscape of India. They collect and maintain credit information on individuals and businesses, which is used by lenders to make informed decisions about extending credit. In this article, we will take a closer look at the role of credit bureaus in India and how they impact the credit market. What are credit bureaus? Credit bureaus are independent agencies that collect and maintain credit information on individuals and businesses. They gather data from various sources such as banks, financial institutions, credit card companies, and other lenders. This data is then used to create credit reports, which provide a comprehensive overview of an individual's credit history, including credit utilization, payment history, and outstanding debts. In India, there are four main credit bureaus: CIBIL, Credit Information Bureau, India Limited, Equifax, Experian, and CRIF High Mark. These bureaus are regulated by the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, and governed by the Credit Information Companies Regulation Act 2005. Role of credit bureaus. The primary role of credit bureaus is to provide lenders with accurate and timely credit information on individuals and businesses. Lenders use this information to assess creditworthiness and make informed decisions about extending credit. Credit bureaus also help borrowers by providing access to their credit reports, which can be used to monitor their credit history and identify potential issues. Credit bureaus in India also play a critical role in the financial inclusion of individuals who may not have a traditional credit history. By collecting alternative data sources such as utility bill payments and mobile phone payments, credit bureaus can create credit reports for individuals who may not have a credit card or loan history. This helps lenders make informed decisions about extending credit to individuals who may have been previously excluded from traditional credit markets. Impact on the credit market. Credit bureaus have had a significant impact on the credit market in India. By providing lenders with accurate and comprehensive credit information, they have helped reduce the risk of lending, leading to more competitive interest rates and better loan terms for borrowers. Credit bureaus have also helped reduce the incidence of fraud and delinquency. By monitoring credit activity and providing alerts for potential fraud, credit bureaus help protect both lenders and borrowers. They also help individuals identify potential issues with their credit history and take steps to rectify them before they become a problem. In conclusion, credit bureaus play a vital role in the financial landscape of India. By providing lenders with accurate and timely credit information, they help reduce the risk of lending, leading to more competitive interest rates and better loan terms for borrowers. They also help individuals monitor their credit history and identify potential issues. Credit bureaus are an essential component of the credit market, promoting financial inclusion and protecting both lenders and borrowers.